Birds are a group of warm-blooded vertebrates constituting the class Aves, characterized by feathers, toothless, beaked jaws, the laying of hard-shelled eggs, a high metabolic rate, a four-chambered heart, and a strong yet lightweight skeleton. Birds live worldwide and range in size from the 5.5 cm 2.2 in hummingbird to the 2.8 meters 9 feet 2 in ostrich. There are about 10,000 living species, more than half of which are passerine, or perching, birds. Birds have wings whose development varies according to species. The only known groups without wings are the extinct moa and elephant birds. Wings, which evolved from forelimbs, gave birds the ability to fly. The digestive and respiratory systems of birds are also uniquely adapted for flight. Some bird species of aquatic environments, particularly seabirds and some waterbirds, have further evolved for swimming. Birds are a group of feathered theropod dinosaurs, and constitute the only living dinosaurs. Likewise, birds are considered reptiles in the modern cladistic sense of the term, and their closest living relatives are the crocodilians. Birds are descendants of the primitive êiviːz, whose members include Archaeopteryx, which first appeared about 160 million years ago, Maya, in China, according to DNA evidence. Modern birds, orniths, evolved in the Middle to Late Cretaceous, and diversified dramatically around the time of the Cretaceous Paleogene extinction event 66 Maya, which killed off the pterosaurs and all non-avian dinosaurs. Many social species pass on knowledge across generations, which is considered a form of culture. Birds are social, communicating with visual signals, calls, and songs, and participating in such behaviors as cooperative breeding and hunting, flocking, and mobbing of predators. The vast majority of bird species are socially, but not necessarily sexually, monogamous. Usually for one breeding season at a time, sometimes for years but rarely for life.